Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the OnePlus Nord live wallpapers for any Android device. So without wasting more time, let's start. So these are the 4 OnePlus Nord live wallpapers which you can install on any Android device. Also root access is not required, so let's install them right away, and I'm going to use my mom's phone because it is not rooted and also it is a Samsung device. So yeah, I have showcased it on AOSP now. So let's take a look at how to install. So first thing is you need this Google Wallpapers app. Then you have to download the OnePlus Nord live wallpapers zip. So I have already downloaded it, and here you can see this is the zip. And now you have to extract the all 4 live wallpapers. I already extracted it to show, so that's why the folder is available. Okay, so you can see these are the extracted APKs, so just install them one by one. You have to install all of them, the 4. Now after installing all the APKs, go to the Google Wallpapers app. Down below you will see the live wallpapers section, and you will see fresh 4 wallpapers from the OnePlus Nord installed. Then you can just choose between them whatever you want. Set wallpaper, home screen and lock screen, and here you go. And this is how the home lock screen looks, and when you open it or unlock it, this is how the effect takes place. And on my device with fingerprint unlock, this is how it, like, if you directly unlock with fingerprint, this is how it looks, and it looks really nice on all of the devices. Now it looks mostly nice on the full screen devices, like this is the M31 which I showcased just now. Looks really nice. Also on my Redmi Note 5 Pro and Note 7 Pro, the screen is cracked, but it looks really nice. Here you can see, and yeah, no lags, no shit is there with this wallpapers when enabled. Also no battery drain is there because this is not the continuous live effect, so that's really nice. So yep, that's it. And if you guys have really liked this video, straight away press the like button. If not, then the dislike button. Also post your feedback in the comment section, and if you want such more videos, press the subscribe button. That's it. So bye bye, and please guys, stay at your home, stay safe, and please take care of yourself. Bye bye.